candy and fruit.
Wait, where?
Hmm.
You're gonna have a store?
Yeah.
What kind of store?
Vegetable store.
A vegetable store?
Yeah.
What are you gonna sell there?
Grapes.
What else?
Bananas.
What else?
Candy.
Is it gonna be expensive?
Yeah.
It is? Yeah. Can I come to your store?
Yeah.
Great.
And vegetables.
And vegetables? So you're gonna sell candy and vegetables? What about sombreros?
Yeah, blue.
You're gonna sell sombreros?
Yeah.
What about enchiladas?
Yeah.
How much are enchiladas?
20.
20 what?
22, 23, 24, 25,
Sit.
26, 27, 28, 29, 22, 23, 24, 25.
25 what? Dollars?
Yeah.
What else?
Mm,
Are you gonna make them by yourself?
yeah.
Really? Where do you get the stuff to make it?
I get a spatula and scoop it up and put it on their plate
Yeah?
and eat it.
Wow, you can make it all by yourself?
Yeah, all by yourself.
You don't have any helpers?
Oh
Why not?
no. Okay.
Sit up. Where is your store gonna be?
From people's house.
It's gonna be in your house? Sit on your bottom, please.
Yeah.
Your store is gonna be in your house? Sit on your bottom. It's not gonna be outside?
No.
Oh. What city is it gonna be in? What country?
Madagascar.
Madagascar? That's a long ways for Mama to travel for enchiladas. Do I take a boat or a train or an airplane?
Boat.
A boat?
Yeah. Boat is not fast. Do you know what's fast?
What's fast?
A plane.
Yeah. Do you like flying on airplanes?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about flying on airplanes?
Get to watch movies.
Really?
Yeah, and get candy canes.
You get candy canes on the airplane?
Yeah.
From who?
From Reno.
From who?
From Reno.
Enoa? Why does
Yeah.
Enoa have candy canes on airplanes? Who's Enoa?
He at our preschool.
Oh. Cool. Well, someday I'm going to come visit your store in Madagascar. Okay? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.